Hello everyone. In the previous part of basic organic chemistry, we have discussed the types of bond fission कि बॉन्ड ब्रेकेज से क्या क्या बनता है, कितनी तरह की बॉन्ड फिशंस होती हैं और उनसे क्या बनता है. We did that bond fission is of two types, homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. Homolytic fission give rise to free radical. Heterolytic fission give rise to positively charged species and negatively charged species. In every case, चाहे homolytic cleavage हो चाहे heterolytic cleavage हो, the species which are formed they are very reactive and they act as attacking reagents कि वो फर्दर किसी और के ऊपर अटैक करने के लिए ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव होती हैं, ज़्यादा केपेबल होती हैं to attack on some other molecule to give rise to the next product. Now the topic of this part is types of attacking reagent, which is somewhat continuation of the previous part only. वहाँ हमने किया था कि homolytic cleavage give rise to free radical. In case of free radical, the species which are formed, like we did the example of Cl2 molecule, the species formed after the cleavage have one unpaired electron. Now this unpaired electron species is very reactive and is capable of attacking on other molecule. अब जो methane molecule as it was lying, now this Cl free radical, it attacks on it, cause the homolytic cleavage of this bond, giving rise to methyl free radical further. Now this free radical is again very much reactive. अब ये कब तक रिएक्ट करते रहेंगे? जब तक फ्री रेडिकल्स अवेलेबल होंगे. जब तक फ्री रेडिकल्स है तब तक वो किसी और के ऊपर अटैक करके प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होते जाएंगे. मीन्स फ्री रेडिकल विच इज फॉर्म्ड बाय होमोलिटिक क्लीवेज acts as a free radical to change further any other molecule to the new product after the reaction with this free radical. In the same way, in heterolytic cleavage we did that positively charged species and negatively charged species they are formed, and if positive charge is acquired by the carbon then that is known as carbocation, and if negative charge is acquired by the carbon in that cleavage, heterolytic cleavage, then it is known as carbanion. Now those positively charged species and negatively charged species which are formed, they are termed as electrophiles and nucleophiles. What electrophiles are? These are positively charged or neutral species which are deficient of electrons and can accept a pair of electron. वो species जो neutral है या positively charged है. अब क्योंकि पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है तो मीन्स वो इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट होंगी, एंड समटाइम्स दे आर न्यूट्रल आल्सो, बट इवन देन दे आर electron deficient, which we did in Lewis acids also, that in some cases the molecules they get formed but central atom is electron deficient even after the bond formation. Such type of molecules are known as Lewis acids, which have the tendency to accept a pair of electrons. Now those species and positively charged species which are deficient of electrons, because they are deficient of electrons, so they have the tendency to accept a pair of electrons, hence they are termed as electrophiles. The examples are H positive, क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन अपनी शेल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रख सकता है. H पॉजिटिव मीन्स इसके पास एक भी इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं है, तो ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन तो इसकी डेफिशिएंसी को फुलफिल करने के लिए चाहिए और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को और रख सकता है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट शेल इन हाइड्रोजन कैन होल्ड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इन द सेम वे H3O positive, in the same way carbocation, which we did in heterolytic cleavage. These are the examples of positively charged species. BF3, AlCl3, these are the examples of neutral species. We have done the structure of BF3, AlCl3, that after the bond formation, even then the octet is not complete of the central atom. Central atom का octet bond बनाने के बाद भी complete नहीं है, इसलिए ये टेंडेंसी रखता है कि ये किसी से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर ले सके. तो सपोज अगर अमोनिया अपना नाइट्रोजन का एक लोन पेयर इसकी तरफ शिफ्ट कर दे तो इसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी फुलफिल हो जाएगी. We did that. It is acting as Lewis acid and this is acting as Lewis base. अब इसी एग्जांपल को अगर हम इसमें कंसीडर करें तो it is acting as an electrophile and this is acting as a nucleophile. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कौन है? जो इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करने की टेंडेंसी रखता है. ऑन द अदर हैंड न्यूक्लियोफाइल क्या होगा? जो इलेक्ट्रॉन देने की टेंडेंसी रखेगा. मींस नेगेटिवली चार्ज स्पीशीज और न्यूट्रल स्पीशीज which have the tendency to donate an electron pair, they are known as nucleophiles. Because here nitrogen is having an electron pair which it can donate to boron to fulfill its electron deficiency, hence it is acting as a nucleophile here. और Lewis के concept में कहें तो it is the Lewis base. So nucleophiles are negatively charged species like H negative, X negative, OH negative, Cn negative. R negative means carbonyl. Again we did it in the previous video, which is formed by heterolytic fission. Ammonia, water, alcohol, क्योंकि alcohol में भी oxygen is having two lone pair of electrons. So these are the examples of nucleophiles. In all, the types of bond cleavage and types of attacking reagents, they are interconnected to each other because due to the bond cleavage, the new species which are formed, they act as an attacking reagent. Those attacking reagents, they attack on the molecules to give rise to the products, and those attacking reagents we did is free radicals, electrophiles and nucleophiles along with the definitions and examples. Thank you.